Can you screen my
Yeah,
PPT?
yeah.
So basically, my this is a WomenSafe project in which we are presenting one application which will be helping the women in the case of any emergency or crime against them. So my mentor is Mohammad Saeed Kazim Mendi, and I'm a contributor. Abhishek Gupta. There's one Maharishi, Natasha Chaudhary, and Pratham Goyal. So let us start. Like, what is the motivation? The motivation behind the developing this application is basically, as you see, that in our country the crime against women is rising at exponentially, and like people are and there's no better solution like they can protect the women. So what we have done, we made the one Android application, or proposed to make a Android application which will help the women to notify the police or anyone police for their help. So application would be consist of one SOS button, which is a help system, and chat application, and guidance system, and analysis platform. Basically my part was analysis platform, where I was developing your Android application, this Django application. I show you. Just wait a second, I show you. I hosted online and it's working fine. So my analysis platform, it's will analyze the crime cluster and will help to know that where is more crime. So like there's a time interval you have to set, and here is my application. Can you see guys see my application?
Yes.
Hello. So this is a Django based application which I have hosted which is hosted online, and these are the complaints which I am getting it. This basically was saying the table is a recorded data which the people are sending. What I am doing, I'm collecting the data. I'm collecting the data, and there's a URL destination is there. If you click the URL destination, it will design the route from where the place you are to the place where you got the request. Can you see this? There's a blue URL designed here.
Yes, we can see.
Hello. So this was a part of my this, and after that I do some analysis part, and this is a crime cluster I want to know. Like let us take an example of second, and I take a data from maybe 16th, and okay, and I set the place as a Delhi, and I when I get it. Okay, wait. I think someone has touched my system. That's why it's giving a problem. Maybe they have modified the system. So next time it would be working fine. Maybe they have touched my system. I told them don't not to touch it. Okay, wait. Just give me a second. I think yes, and they have touched my. I think Minter have touched my system, maybe due to which it was giving a problem. Next time it would be working fine, and you can see in a crime rate also. I think it would be also giving a problem then if it's not there. Almost the front end part is ready. There's a small issues are there in our back end part that will be resolving by final. I think you can see here, we can see the rate graph, like uh, now there's only the city which is Delhi in the database, so it's showing the crime rate for Delhi according to the database. Okay. Hello, are you there? Hello.
Yeah, everyone is there.
Yes. So basically, you can see a crime graph here, and maybe I think there's a for analysis part. Maybe the mentor has touched something. Next time I will face that problem also. Till now, the analysis part is complete, and after this, we are working on the guidance system where we will provide the we will provide the safety guide for a woman, where they can get to know like how to protect them. Like we can give a small demo video or like small information how they can protect themselves, themselves in the case of attack on them. And there was like basically this is a working model we are like taking. It's a Android application where would be SOS button would be there. It will send the help to the police center, and police center will be try to reach there, and my Django application will record and send data to the application and take the and retrieve the data from it. And basically on a future we are trying to make a we are after collecting the data, what we are planning to make a recommendation system where it will recommend the women's like where like at what time the crime rate would be high at particular place, so that they can decide the route where they can travel. And we are also planning to implement a social media platform where we can where we can basically share the like a crime against the woman, like people like it's like an Instagram of the crimes, like people only share the crime related stuff there, so that people can become uh, people can know more about like what's happening near them, and real time tracking of women. And basically this is a work. Hello.
Okay, nice. So if any one of
Yes.
you have questions regarding Women Safe, go on. Anything. So how will you be making this SOS button? I mean, the in an emergency situation, the women
SOS
have to
button is
open.
the thing. Totally understood. The SOS button is what we are making an Android application. So we are on each click stream we are recording the data. That click stream because uh, it would be giving us a area which has the high crime rate. So for each click stream, it will tell us and send the data from application to the police officer by SMTP protocol, and this SMTP protocol through SMTP protocol to police station, and police station will get to know like this place here is a woman which is stuck and she need the emergency, so police can reach there.
Okay, but for the SOS button, if you will make an Android application, then do the woman person have to open that Android application and press the SOS button, or there will be some automatic trigger in such kind of situations? Because I think when there will be
Yes,
a
yes,
net,
that yeah,
not a
yes.
much time.
It's like yes, it's like you want us like no click of machine, only like pressing some of the hardware buttons can help us in that application. I'm right.
Yeah, maybe hardware app, maybe the hardware buttons, or maybe some screams if the woman screams so loud, or maybe
Yes, 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 yes.
some trigger options
Yes,
like we are having in Google. Okay, Google, maybe help, help, or something. Trigger words
yes,
like
yes,
bachao.
yes, yes, yes. For that, that will I will take care, and I will discuss with my mentor, because
Okay,
basically, sir, I'm working on a Django application. I'm totally working on analysis part and click collection of data. So I'm working totally on Django application, which I am, and there's a I think participants of my group are not here. I'm only one who is representing my group.
okay, okay. That's not a problem. Thank you for
Yes.
your presentation.